Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel with another new video. I hope you all are fine and doing great. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. It really gives me motivation to upload more content. In today's short video, we'll discuss about the goals of psychology. If you are a psychology student, then this topic must be on your fingertips, as psychology refers to the scientific study of the mind and behavior. According to Huffman and Vinoy, 1997, psychology has four goals to accomplish. These goals are very simple: description, explanation, prediction, and modification. Means to describe the behavior, to explain the behavior, to predict the behavior, and to change the behavior. If we simply define these four mentioned goals of psychology, then description of behavior based on the actually observed data through operational definition. Description is usually the first step in understanding behavior. It informs us about what has occurred. For example, if someone is feeling sad, someone is aggressive, then as a psychologist, or the goal of psychology here is to accomplish that. What is aggression, what is sadness, means to describe the aggression, to describe the sadness, or we can say that to define the nature of behavior. After defining the behavior, the second step or goal is to explain the behavior. Explanation of behavior in terms of psychological, analogical, functional, and theoretical explanations with the help of models. Means explanation attempts to tell why a certain behaviors or mental processes occur. Explaining behavior or mental process requires an understanding of its causes. Means in description or describing the behavior, we are following the what element, whereas in explanation we are following the why element. Means we are defining or explaining here the causes of that particular nature of behavior. For example, in the previous in previous mentioned example, we said if someone is aggressive or someone is feeling sad, then in explanation we will explore it by exploring the causes through models as BPS model or biopsychosocial model, that these are the biological, psychological, or social causes of this particular behavior. Therefore, the person is feeling sad or aggressive. So here we give explanation of that particular behavior. The third one is prediction or to predict the behavior. So prediction of behavior based on theories and hypotheses. Not surprisingly, another primary goal of psychology is to predict how we think and act. Once the psychologists understand what happens and why, they can formulate predictions about when, why, and how it might happen again. Successfully predicting behavior is also one of the best ways to know if we understand the underlying causes of our actions. So, prediction is identifying when and under what circumstances a future behavior, mental processes is likely to occur. Mental process is likely to occur. It simply means that if we have the operational definitions of that particular behavior and explanation, or we know the stressors, or we have the stressors identification, we know the causes of that particular behavior, then it is very easy and simple to predict the behavior that most probably in future can occur again. For example, in describing behavior, we said the person is feeling sad. We gave here the definition, operational definition of sadness. In explanation, we said that these are the causes of that particular sadness or stress. These are the stressors which are causing or psychological discomfort in that person. So in prediction, we will identify that when, and we will identify the actual circumstances when and under what circumstances a future behavior or mental process or the person again can feel sad. What would be the triggering factors or how to avoid these triggering factors or stressors? So prediction name indicates that to predict about the future. Modification or to change the behavior or control of behavior based on the knowledge of goal to above mentioned. For example, improving the quality of behavior through diagnosis and prognosis. You can simply say that to change the behavior or to modify the behavior means that applying psychological knowledge to prevent unwanted outcomes to bring about desired goals. Means to apply a set of therapies. Psychologists may want to change or control one factor to have influence on another. The change goal in psychology is positive. For example, improvements in many life areas, like improve the work environment, reducing addictive behaviors, or reducing the depressive symptoms, etc. So when we have accomplished the goals as description, explanation and prediction, then the must thing is to modify that particular behavior by applying psychological knowledge or set of therapies. Let's review the topic as describe means what is the nature of behavior, explain why is the behavior occurring, predict when will the behavior occur, change how can we change it. So in description what element is included, in explanation why element is included, prediction when will the behavior occur again, whereas in change how element is included, that how can we change that particular nature of behavior. So let's end the video. I hope that you have understand the topic. So stay connected and stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, must like the video and share with other psychology students